Good morning. Today we're going to be heading to the VA hospital. It is really bright outside. We got a couple of cars coming from the right side, nothing from the left. Go ahead and go. So that beeping is that radar right there, but it's not a laser, it's more of a, the laser ones are better. This is just a radar detector. So I learned something. For some reason my video was stuck or on time warp, not regular video. I don't know why. Luckily it beeped because I would not have known. But anyways, good morning. We're heading over to the VA hospital. About over a month ago, I injured my elbow somehow. It's either muscle strain or something going on with the left elbow. Very fortunate to see the doctor today. Someone canceled. They called up, hey bruh, we got an opening. I was like, hell yeah. But trying to get the angling a little bit more down towards the steering wheel, the gauges, everything like that. Last video it was kind of high, but I did bring an external charger. It's not a really big one, so it can fit in the back of my hoodie with the power cord going to the left side of the GoPro and maintain power for quite a while. But we'll see what we can do. It basically lasts about 50 minutes. It shouldn't even take that long going back to the VA hospital with no traffic really in the morning like this. It should be taking around roughly 30 minutes, but yeah. Trying to get some more content out with the that one famous WRX. So far I have 40,000 miles on it, 40,565 to be exact. But yeah, I just turned on my turn signal. That should be smart. I just realized it wasn't on. But anyways, I had to turn on the heat. It's kind of getting toasty in here. Today's weather, a little chilly. I had to defog the windows. I used a little squeegee, if that's what it's called. Used it on the windows and stuff, so. But yeah, today is an awesome, beautiful day, very sunny. So periodically you might see me put down this visor thing here to keep the sun from blinding me when I'm heading north towards Seattle. All right, here we go. In the last video, you'll see like it starts like right here on a certain spot. That's when 2 days ago the VA hospital called me. You know, you have to give out personal information. That's why I stopped the video. Some reason the GoPro keeps turning off. It's full powered. I have the chip in it and everything. Really don't know what's going on. Take a look at it. If it does it again, I'm going to turn it off. But yep, this is heading towards Seattle. I wasn't having trouble 2 days ago. I don't understand now why. Yeah, radar, we get it. All right. No lights. Yeah, I don't know why the camera was turning off. It did it twice. So you're gonna see like splices from the beginning. It doesn't make any sense why there's like gaps, but yeah, it just turned off on me. But yeah, we're just gonna see what's going on. Change the little angle of the camera. So the appointment for my doctor's appointment up in Seattle VA Hospital is at 9:30. So we should be getting there around like 9 o'clock. Enough time to find some parking and just, you know, sit and wait. But hopefully the film, I mean the GoPro, will work all the way there. This is the first time it's trying to act up on me, so I don't know what's going on. Says it has enough space for 5 hours. It's fully charged. So I'm going cruise control. As you can see, set the speed to 64. I can lower it to 60 just to show you what it looks like when you go the speed limit on I-5 heading to Seattle at 8:23 in the morning. Alright, turn the heater on a little bit. Cars are literally passing me. If one of them asks you, if they say, if I jump off a bridge, will you? No. We're not speeding just because there's no cops around. There's no reason to do it. Plus, we have a lot of time to get up there. Eventually, I will have to move over one lane because I have to get up to 163, exit 163. This actually splits off and goes to Renton. So, when we get up closer, we'll shift over. But, man, it is very, very beautiful today. And the sun is out. It really sucks that Corona's going on. I would say go take a trip somewhere. Halloween is just weeks away. Got the election coming in. Vote for whoever you want to vote for. I'm not going to talk about no political stuff except that that one famous WRX. You vote for that one. He likes those likes. You know what? I'm just going to go over now. Mountain Mist. Isn't that like a drink or something? Mountain Mist? It's like it's on that van in front of us. I know the traffic is gonna build. I can feel it. Gadget WRX. All right, here we go. Go ahead, young buck. Merge into the left lane. There you go. Man, it is very beautiful out. You know what? I'm going to go 65. I'm going to keep it relatively around that speed. You really get caught up behind those semis in the morning. takes them a little while to get up to 60. I do have a semi directly behind me in this lane, which is very, I've never seen semis in a far left lane or this lane. You know traffic's slow if they're in this lane. There's not really traffic, so I don't understand. Maybe towards when we get into Seattle. Right here to our left is an carpool off-ramp going into the Federal Way. Earlier we passed the exit going towards Auburn. Yeah. So if any of you know has any skill or know people who know how to make really great transitions, videos, stuff like that, intros, outros, I use a free program to create my outros and intros, but I'm just getting better at making videos in general. You know, it takes time to learn how to perfect your craft. It doesn't happen overnight. Like, no one's in this lane. What's going on? There you go. Right when I say something. Yo, I want that white truck. That looks awesome. We can put free candy on it. What about free food in general? Like, hand out free food to people. That'd be awesome. You won't really see me driving these type of trucks. I'm not a truck person. Yeah. You won't see me driving a hatchback. In those Subarus, I'm not really a big fan of hatchbacks. Wagons, I'm not a big fan either. I do love the old Oldsmobile station wagon. I think it is Oldsmobile, but the old station wagon, I'll drive one of those. Those things are a classic. So I'll drive one of those. But yeah. You see a lot of SUVs around in the Pacific Northwest. You got the Soul over to the, like, over there, right here, some type of Ford or whatever it is. Got a Lexus in front of us right now. That looks like a nice car. Oh, that's yeah, that's a company vehicle right there. Looks like a Ford Escape. I don't know. Yay, the camera's working. We're maintaining power, which is awesome. Yeah, traffic's slowing down. Definitely this Lexus is not tapping its brakes, but we're going like 57. I'm not even trying to tailgate. He's dropping speed. What in the world is going on? He's at 45. Why is he slowing down? There is no traffic. I'm not even tailgating. Back up to 50. Sometimes I wonder why do people drive this slow when you're not in the right lane? It makes no sense. I'm not tailgating. I have at least 2 car lengths in between us. Maybe a car length, but 2.5, maybe. I don't know. I can't measure. I'm not good at math. But anyways, I'm driving safe. Maybe he noticed the GoPro. I don't know. Just having a good day. I gotta give it to him. Drive safe. You gotta get to where you gotta go. And no accidents. That's what's up. Okay, this area coming in towards Tukwila and Renton area, or we're really not in Renton, we're more in Tukwila, getting closer to Des Moines and then Tukwila. But yeah, this place gets a little bit congested in the mornings. I start seeing brake lights ahead of us. But yeah, I really hate these potholes. They're like randomly all over the road. Like in the last video, it looks like I hit every pothole that was made on all those roads. It just looked sound annoying. It's like the douche. It's like, man, what is going on? Might have to make my car into a rally car. Get a lift kit. Get some really good suspension, so when I hit those potholes, it's like nothing. A lot of people get the lowering kits, but they grind out their front lip and their bumper. It's crazy. All right. Coming up on Tukwila area. I think 1 or 2 more exits, and then it's we'll definitely be in that vicinity. We'll pass exit 151. Yeah. Mostly I just like driving, relaxing, hearing the ambient noise of traffic. But you know, sometimes you gotta talk, you know, talk about what's going on. You gotta really have like a script or a to-do list of what subjects to talk about. I'm the type of person, I don't do any of that. That truck just like literally merged right in front of that Lexus. That's so weird. Why didn't you like go forward more? Some people are so inconsiderate. Anyways, I'm the type of person, I have no script. I just start rambling. It's just like on the spot thoughts. So, you know, but I do appreciate everyone that swings through. I might not have that radio voice like Dick Vitale for the sports, or
tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.